This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. The centre has assured full support to states to combat the spread of novel coronavirus. Union Health Minister Dr. Vardhan yesterday called up health ministers of various states as well as lieutenant governors of Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir to ascertain the health status of the affected patients. He also spoke to a few patients through video calls to inquire about their health and the treatment being given at the isolation wards. The health ministers and lieutenant governors, while giving details of the treatment status, stated that the patients are recovering well and they are stable. Dr. Vardhan exhorted them to monitor the health status of the patients and the emerging situation. In Manipur, the state government is putting all efforts, taking all precautionary measures with regard to the threat posed by novel coronavirus. The government has ordered closure of international border gate number 1 and 2 at More in Tengnopal district and has prohibited movement of people across the international border in view of the possible threat of transmission of the virus. The Assam Rifles has intensified patrolling near the international border with Myanmar. The district magistrate of Churachandpur also sealed all the crossings on the border with Myanmar and advised the villagers not to cross the international border. The state surveillance unit of the state's health department has increased its level of preparedness for response to any possible outbreak of the virus in Manipur by strengthening the state surveillance units with 13 more Manipur Health Services officers. These officers will work till the first week of May. Leave of any type shall not be granted to any health staff except on medical grounds. The opposition Congress in Meghalaya has recommended the name of former legislator Kennedy C Khyriem as the candidate for the upcoming election to the lone Rajya Sabha seat. The election will be held on the 26th of this month. The Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government has declared National People's Party State President Dr. Wanwei Roy Kharlukhi as its consensus candidate. Earlier, the Congress had approached United Democratic Party General Secretary Jamino Mautho to contest the election and assured him of their support. In the 60-member Meghalaya House Assembly, the Congress has 19 legislators. Congress leader Wansuk Aim is the current Rajya Sabha member from the state. Her term will end on April 12. Not happy with the performance of the employees, the Sikkim government has withdrawn the 5-day working week system and declared that they will get holidays only on 2nd and 4th Saturdays. The new system will be effective from April 1, according to a notification. After coming to power in May last year, Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang introduced the 5-day working week for employees of the state government and public sector units. However, the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha government was not happy with the performance of its employees, despite providing them holidays on Saturdays. The Tripura government has decided to provide financial support of 5,000 rupees to each undergraduate student of government-run institutes to buy smartphones. The government has approved the Mukhyamantri Yuba Yogayog Yojana for this purpose. Tripura's Education and Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath said that the state government will provide this financial support to 14,608 students pursuing graduation in the next financial year. Students of 38 government-run higher education institutions pursuing graduate courses in medical, paramedical, engineering, science, arts, commerce, law, painting, music and nursing are eligible to avail the financial support. Students have to apply online to avail the scheme. The amount will be deposited directly into the bank accounts of the beneficiaries after scrutiny of their applications. Indian football heavyweights Mohun Bagan clinched their second I-League title following a 1-0 win over Aizawl FC from Mizoram at the Kalyani Stadium in West Bengal yesterday. Senegalese striker Baba Diawara scored the all-important goal in the 80th minute that helped Mohun Bagan lift the title, though 4 rounds are still to go in this current season. With yesterday's win, Mohun Bagan have 39 points from 16 matches and they are 16 points ahead of second-placed East Bengal. Bagan's first I-League title came in the 2014-15 season. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.